In East Africa's dry lands, rain has become a lottery. When, where and how much will fall determines the future of millions of people. Drought has pushed many communities in Ethiopia, Kenya and Somalia to the brink, contributing to deadly competition over diminishing resources. When the drought hit 2 years ago, the Turkana community in northern Kenya began crossing the border into Uganda in search of water and grazing land. This migration into Karamoja fueled violent raids. But in 2016, something changed. USAID helped the groups negotiate an agreement that allowed the Turkana to cross into Uganda to graze their livestock peacefully. USAID also supports an early warning system that encourages information sharing between local community groups and authorities at the first sign of conflict. Rainfall will always be a lottery, but these communities have learned that violence is preventable.
We know that conflict is part of human being, but how do you resolve it? So we are resolving it non-violently now.
This kind of collaboration is essential to the stability of the region and gives people, no matter where they live, the ability to solve their common challenges together.